Now I have a lot of content on my website, on my YouTube channel, and tried, I've always tried to organize my content nicely. Talking about, of course, my YouTube videos, I have on my YouTube channel different playlists, and whenever I make a video, I make sure that the video goes to a specific playlist so that you can also find it. But more than YouTube playlist, I always organize my videos on my own website. Now, I have talked about this in the past, that in case you want to find my content, you can always come to my website. I encourage people to come to my website to find content. And if you want to, let us say, learn Jira or cloud or Jira server or administration, or maybe if you're trying to learn automation or script runner, you can find all these courses here. So I have different courses. So these courses are nothing but uh, all the videos that I have been making on YouTube. But whenever I make a video, I make sure that I come to this particular course. Let us say if you're talking about Jira Cloud Automation, I have, of course, this main course page, and within this course I have different videos that you can find. So this is the simplest way of finding my content, or basically searching my content. But technically speaking, it is not really a search, it is basically browsing or navigating. However, on my website, and it is a bit of a shame that I never really talked about it, but on my website I do have the capability of searching, and that is what I wanted to talk about. So if you go to so basically if you go to my website and if you type in slash search, I will definitely make it easier. I'll probably have this search bar somewhere on the home page so that people can find my content. So if you have if you're looking for something, I encourage you to come here and search. So let me show you how it works. It is, of course, nothing, there is no rocket science. It is all about typing in the keywords that you're looking for. So if you're trying to learn, let us say you're looking for certification like Jira certifications. So just type in here Jira certification, and if you press enter, you will get a lot of content. And as you can see, I have plenty of content, or on this particular site, I have 10 pages, 10 different posts, and these could be videos or blogs or articles, whatever. You can find it here. If you're trying to do something with, let us say, script to, um, let us say, do what? Create issue, I guess. Let us say, I'm just trying to search. Oh, nothing. So I need to probably um, search for something like create issue. I'm also trying to uh, trying to uh, search on my own website, although I know that I have something related to create issue, but give it a try. You will definitely find a lot of things, because on my site I have hundreds, I think probably in thousands of, not not really, like I don't know how many pages I have, but this website is more than 10 years old, and I have a lot of content. And if you're trying to search for something, you will surely uh, find a lot of things on the website. Of course, try with the navigation. So if you're looking for a create issue script or anything that is related to create issue, for example, on script runner for Jira Cloud, post function to create linked issue, script runner for Jira Cloud, create issue links, and so on. So if you're trying to do something with REST API, create issue with attachment, and so on. So um, you can actually find a lot of content here by simply typing in the keywords. But there is also this advanced search, if you want to use the advanced search. So let us say if you just want to focus on videos. So if you search video here, right now we have, I think, a lot of pages, but if you search for video, let us search. So you can also do advanced search. You will find slightly less pages, and as you can see, I have a lot of videos on REST API. Let us search for something else. What else? What else can we search for? Um, let us say we are searching for script runner tutorial or whatever. So you can hopefully you can find a lot of things. So it is of course searching for videos, but if I uncheck it, I think the keyword tutorial is probably um, a bit limiting. But yeah, now we have more pages. Or if you just search for script runner, you will definitely find a lot of things. So I encourage people to, I mean, of course, if you search on Google for some of the keywords, my website is always on top because I have a lot of content related to these things, Atlassian tools. And I never really focus too much on promoting my website or my videos. I believe in doing the right thing, which is learning every day and sharing every day. But I make sure that I post things on my website so that everything is organized. And the reason I post these things on my website is because I believe in owning my own data. Although I also share my, so whenever I have a content, like for example this video, which was published today, this morning, quick tip to generate sample data in Jira. I uploaded it on YouTube, but this is of course also the same video is also on my website, nicely organized along with other Jira admin related videos. And you can find all the people who have liked it, like this video. If you're on Twitter, one thing is that I also syndicate this post on Twitter. So you can also, if you're following me on Twitter, or in case you want to follow me on Twitter, you can always reply like this tweet or reply to it. And if you reply to this tweet, a reply on my tweet will become a comment here on my website. So if you're talking to me on Twitter, you can actually you can ensure that those tweets are preserved on my website. But I always encourage you to come here and come to my website and try to find the information in case you are uh, uh, trying to learn Atlassian tools. And I believe in structured learning. So that is why I have these things organized nicely. And as I mentioned before, a couple of months back, I think it has been two months, I now have a service desk, my own service desk, where you can reach out to me. So in case you have any question for me, any doubt for me, uh, click on this button on my website, contact me, and fill up a form, and I will try to help you. I usually read all the tickets that I receive, and I try to respond to them if it is not really taking a lot of my time. But if you want a reply from me, if you think you need my help, I will not guarantee that I will respond to you within 2 hours. There are no SLAs. I mean, there are SLAs because it is Jira Service Desk project. But I try my best to reply to you. If I can, I will definitely reply and get back to you. But do send me a message in case you just want to say hi. Use the contact me widget on my website. But of course, if you're on my website and you're looking for something which you're not really sure how to find, use the search feature, because I do have a lot of content on my website. And apart from organizing it, searching is probably the most logical thing to do. And that is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. Thank you very much.